channel. I hope you're all doing really well, and I think you think I have forgotten about my YouTube channel.
Now that we know, they know we know.
This is like a transition period right now for me, which makes it hard for me to update you guys a lot because there are not many changes happening at the moment. Yes, one of the perks of being a medical professional, not a student anymore. Wow, that was a big revelation. Today we are going to be talking about my glorious, awesome, super cool MBBS days, and now that I think about it, I actually miss those days a lot. In internship, we did have like that working experience that I used to talk about. It was not really that. You are a student and you feel like you are working, but you're still a student. Now I realized that it was not working. So yes, I think it's sort of a ladder that you're climbing. Coming back to the point, I am going to tell you guys what I learned from my MBBS days. As a 16-year-old, your priorities are a bit different, and then when you get into college after 5 years, or dragging 5 years actually, you learn a lot about a lot of things and how to prioritize a lot of things in your life. Also, I think getting into medical field is a lot like swallowing a bitter pill, a very long and lengthy process of swallowing. The first point, which I think is sort of a taken, is that geography is not everything. As a 16-year-old, I used to think that I would want a college that's in a prime location, that is located in a really good city, so that I get a good college life. Getting that dream life only in big city is sort of overrated. As long as you are doing MBBS and you are enjoying what you're doing. Really what matters is how you balance everything out and how you balance your social and your work life and your studies and all of these things, and you can do that when you are in a small city and you can do that when you are in a big city, so it really doesn't make a difference much. Another thing that MBBS has taught me is that not everything is a competition and life is not a race. And I know that this might be one of the cheesiest things I've said on this channel, but it actually is true when you think about it, because it's your individual journey, it's your individual thing, and comparing yourself to others, being in a competition to be better than others is really not going to be fulfilling for anyone at the end of the day. The education system here in this country really thrives on getting ahead of everyone else. Like literally we are taking a seat from another person. It's like, just grabbing a seat and not letting anyone else take that seat. And it's sort of like that cutthroat competition that really gets in your veins, and you're so used to it by the time you get into college that you still carry on that feeling, and you sort of get a bit possessive about your rank, and you get a bit possessive about getting ahead of everyone else in everything. Over the course of these years, I have learned that it's not about that. It's not about the race. It's about doing better than yourself. Wow, that's the second cheesiest thing I've said. So my point is that it's like a path that you're creating for yourself, and you can have a slow pace, you can have a fast pace, you can have any pace you want. If it takes 1 year, good. If it takes 2 years, 3 years, just as good. So that's what I mean. The third thing that MBBS has taught me is that struggle actually does bear a fruit, and when you are young, when you are preparing for UG, you do not feel as hopeful. I did not feel that hopeful that the struggle is actually going to mean something after 5 years or 6 years, but trust me when I say this, and anyone who would be in a medical college right now would actually feel this as well, that once you get through that, without struggle there is no success, I think. And struggling is an important aspect of appreciating what you have. Even in medical college, when you struggle with your studies, and when you struggle thinking that all the other non-medical students are having so much better lives than you, or having so much fun, that is also going to bear fruit at the end of all this time in medical college, when you're going to get out into the professional life and you're going to see that people call you doctor and they respect you so much. These were the three things that I have learned in my medical college days, and MBBS life, like I said, has been a really nostalgic experience for me. Already saying that again, like I always say, MBBS does not have to be the end of the road. It does not have to be a limitation of opportunities for anyone who wants to pursue their hobbies side by side. Hello, vlogging, or you want to write, you want to dance, you want to sing, and all of these things. I think there are so much more possibilities now in these times, even when you're a medical student, than there were like 10 years ago. So I think times have changed a lot, and pursuing a passion side by side is absolutely possible, guys. Even if you're a medical student, and I always say that, and I always encourage you guys to not stop pursuing your hobbies and passions as well side by side. And yes, just working at your goal, working towards your goal and achieving that. It's all about that. So I hope that you got some insight, you got some perspective about all the things that are going to change when you get into medical college, or all the things that you're going to learn just when you get out of medical college, and you're going to think, wow, I did learn a lot of new things. So I hope that this was a helpful video for you guys. If you liked the content, if you liked the video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, take care. And yes, for anyone who's preparing for NEET UG, don't forget to check out my free live sessions on Unacademy. I would love to see more of you guys on the app so that we can interact more and chat more. So you can download the Unacademy app and join my free live sessions, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of you on the app so that we can study and have a fun live session at the same time. So looking forward to that. Guys, Mansi is out. I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye, take care.